Ladies and gentlemen, welcome. Peter Watch is my name. Today's topic is this. Is the stock market a scam? Is the stock market a scam? Yes, guys have told me, I market my Telegram channel a lot on social media, on Facebook, on Twitter, on LinkedIn. And some guys have told me, guy, just shut up. Stock market is a scam. Stock market is what? A scam. That's what they have told me. The truth is, no, stock market is not a scam. You see, stock market is a market where companies are listed. And we have many companies listed, about 60 companies. We have KCB, we have Safaricom, we have Equity. We have banks listed there, about 20, 10, 15 or so banks, Standard Chartered. We have insurance companies. We have Britam, we have Jubilee, we have CIC. They're all listed there. We have manufacturing sector. We have like the BAT, the East African breweries. They're all listed there. We have agricultural. We have Sasini, Kapchorua, Williamson Tea. They're all listed there. We have so many companies listed in the Nairobi Securities Exchange, the stock market. And now, what is a scam? You see, in Kenya, we have had many scams. We had Crowd One, a scam. We had we had AIM Global, a scam. We had Desi. We had Clip. We had Quailegs. We have betting. All radio stations are betting. TV stations are betting stations. Guys, don't bet. Betting is wasting your money. That 1,000 shillings, that 50 shillings you're throwing away into betting, if you repeat that times 30 days, that is 1,500 shillings. If you repeat that for 12 months and you repeat that for 10 years, you will have 1 million shillings in your account, cash money, courtesy of saving and investing and growing that money by 40% return per year. But what do people do? You throw it into betting. Betting is making billionaires rich and you poor. Don't do that. Betting is a scam. Wachana nayo. And when one person wins, they want to advertise that one person to the whole world, so that more other fools are drawn in, so that you know it's working. My friend, betting is not good for your life. Don't do it. Millionaires and billionaires don't bet. Where are you betting? Don't fall into scams. The other scam is public likes. People wasted a lot of money there. People lost their money in public likes. The other one is Amazon web worker. Watu walipoteza pesa huko kuruka. Ekeza Sacco, another scam. FEP, another scam. Banda Homes, they've been listed a lot. These scams are too many. In a scam, there's nothing they sell. Like now in Desi, what were people selling? What were the products? If I would leave my house today and go to the supermarket, what product does Desi make? What product is Amazon web worker selling? Can I find their products in the supermarket? Can I find their products in the shop? That is how to tell this thing is a scam. You go to the supermarket, can you find their product? What do they make? If you go to the shop, can you find their products? What do they make? How do you know stock market is a scam or not? One, we have Safaricom. It's listed there. What does Safaricom make? What does Safaricom sell? Safaricom sells airtime. Safaricom sells M-Pesa. They sell data bundles. We have KCB. It's listed there. What does KCB sell or make? KCB is a bank. They sell money. They sell loans. They sell you loans and get back their profit. Banks sell money. Insurance companies sell protection, a surety that once you put your money with them, whatever you want to see happen in some years to come will happen, whether you are dead or alive. I'm borrowing a lot from the wisdom of the very rich book, Jacqueline Thompson. It's a book about American super millionaires, what they invest in, and how they make their money and how they spend it. One of the things the American super millionaires invest in is they buy shares, they buy stocks. They buy stocks from some of these big companies like Microsoft, IBM, Facebook, Amazon. They buy stocks from some of these big companies and they accumulate a lot of stocks over time. And by doing that, as these companies grow and as these companies give dividends and these companies realize capital gains, they also get rich. And that's what I want you to do. Buy stocks. Join our Telegram link. You will be guided. But then to buy stocks, you only need to open a CDS account. And with the CDS account, you are able to buy stock from the CDS account. And you'll be guided on how to go about it. Asante sana. Join the Telegram link. The link down is there. Au revoir. Oriti. Bye-bye. Erokamano. Subscribe and give this video a thumbs up. If there's a topic you want us to discuss, comment down there. I am a stock market researcher and that's my work. I'll research and make a video that you want, not the video that I want. Au revoir. Oriti.
Au revoir.